Now that you've got your single keyword set up as a part of the ad group, let's go ahead and write some ads. So head over to ads, ads, and then click on this responsive search ad. Now this brings you up to the screen where you would be able to see a demo of what your ad looks like even before you go ahead and publish. So you can already see that there's some extensions being set up at the bottom, as you can see, which I'm going to ignore for now. I'm going to focus on this area here, which is both the headline and the description. Start off with putting in a final URL. So in my case, Zen Academy, I'm going to put in a final URL to the courses page because this is the page where I want people to land. So go ahead, put that in as courses. The display path, obviously, what you want people to display, so this the one that shows up here. I want them to actually view the final URL as the one that I want to display. So as you can see, that's now changed, goes on to the courses section. Now, let's go ahead and think about some of the headlines. Now, before we jump into writing the headlines, remember there are a few key rules to being able to write great headlines. So one, be relevant. Just be straightforward of what this when they click on this link over here, where are they going to land, and whatever they see in the headline is exactly what they're going to find over there. In addition to this, focus on the benefits. So digital marketing courses are free to take. You can take the course and become qualified enough to actually run some campaigns. Those are the benefits involved for the other party. I've got 20 years of experience isn't a benefit for the other party. I've got so and so award that I won in digital marketing isn't a benefit for the other party. And then if you have the right benefits that you can write in here, then obviously that will trigger certain emotions in the audience that will eventually end up taking an action. So let's try and write some of these. Now Google already is suggesting some based on what it can find at the web page, but I'm going to go ahead and write some. So let's start off straight away with free digital marketing courses. Now you might have already seen that I've capitalized the first letter of each of the word, and that works wonders. It's obviously got more conversion rate than if you go ahead and write all of them in smalls. So always make sure you capitalize the first letter of your words. Now, free digital marketing courses, it's been relevant because if they click that link, that's where they're going to land, and that's what they're going to be able to do. In addition to them being free digital marketing courses, what are the other benefits that the users will have? So be job ready in marketing. Let's say if you can finish the course in, let's say, in 30 days. Right now, obviously I've exceeded the limit, so I'm going to take that and just have be job ready in marketing. Obviously a benefit to the users. Learn new skill in 30 days. Again, it's a benefit that the users will end up having if they go ahead and take this course. So there's plenty of stuff that you can do here in terms of how you want to write your headlines. Remember, I've actually chosen the keyword as digital marketing courses. So you have to have, not have to have, but ideally you should have a exact match of your keyword in the headline and in the description. So in my case, digital marketing course is obviously taken care of. And then along with that, a nice little free that will trigger a heap of searches that will happen as a part of learning a new skill in digital marketing. So you can go ahead and write more headlines here. I'll leave that up to you. It's an exercise that you can do. And I'm going to go ahead and write a description as well. So some of the suggestions: take a course in digital marketing and development to get a job in the world of digital. It doesn't seem that bad. Fits ideally over there in terms of the character limit. All I've got to do is fix the capitalization on these letters. So I might even go ahead and say free course in digital marketing, and then remove this part here to secure a job Now, to secure I can even say marketing job and then wrap it over there. So take a free course on digital marketing to secure a marketing job. Well, that's a little bit repetitive. So I'm going to say take a free course on digital marketing and say, and add to your existing marketing, marketing skills, right? So that sounds straightforward. Also, an exact match, so digital marketing course or close to an exact match, not an exact match, but close to a phrase match of what my keyword is, which is the digital marketing courses. I could have easily gone and said take a free digital marketing course. So I might even actually do that just to have an exact match on my keyword. So take a free digital marketing course, or take free digital marketing courses and add to your existing marketing skills. So that's an exact match of what my keyword is going to be. So go ahead and write another description. You can write up to 4 descriptions, as you can see, and they will iterate over those along with the headlines that you would write. But if I've got the 3 headlines, if I've got a bit of a description, if I've got my final URL, I could go ahead and save the ad. Obviously, I mean, at least two descriptions are required. Sorry, at least 2 descriptions are required, but it would go ahead and tell me, you'll say add more headlines, include popular keyword in your headlines, make your headlines more unique, make your descriptions more unique. So, as I go ahead, and fill these headlines and these descriptions out, the obviously the ad would change and these would be checked off. So let's go ahead and try this one. So let's say, digital marketing courses for beginners. Now, what happens here is that it gets used with the same ad description that I had before. So take free digital marketing course and add to your existing marketing skills digital marketing courses for people of all levels, right? And then I'd have some CTAs in there, says enroll today to get started, right? And there you have it. So digital marketing course, take free digital marketing course and add to your existing marketing skills. Digital marketing for people of all levels. Enroll today and get started. So I could continue on down this path. Let's add a couple more here. So I would say free digital marketing courses. Free. I'll have to think a little bit. But digital training courses. Should actually have been digital marketing courses, but let's say online digital training courses. Course. So maybe say marketing. I'll leave that to training course. Completely free course. Online. So gets better. Obviously, I've got include popular keywords in my headline checked off. Make your descriptions more unique, checked off. Make your headlines more unique, and add more headlines. So I'd continue and say, learn marketing at your pace. And then I would say, learn from the best growth hackers. Learn from the best growth marketers. Now, if it doesn't fit, learn from the best marketers, right? And make your headlines more unique. So still some stuff there, and then get placement support from Zen. Okay, and make your headlines more unique. Almost there. So that's a good ad in terms of what Google obviously think is, Google's quality score. So go ahead and save that. So that essentially becomes the ad. Obviously, it goes under pending review. Somebody would review it, or it'll automatically be reviewed, and it will go ahead and be published. So you can go ahead and create more ads by clicking this thing over here, or go ahead and edit the existing one. When I click on it, obviously lands on Zen Academy. And so let's move on to the next part.